Good evening. Captain Matt Edwards, retired here, with another one of my scintillating short videos. This one is courtesy of the internal review process that Veterans Affairs has, and I was chagrined to find out that I wasn't treated very fairly when my rehabilitation, the alleged benefit that a veteran gets, back in 2013 was canceled. And then I was reading in a frequently asked questions access to information request that a veteran sent me that when a person has a cancellation of their rehabilitation program, which is really the earnings loss benefit program, then they don't want to accept a second application until they have an internal review process finished. Now, that never happened in my case, and I had a second and third and possibly a fourth application for rehabilitation. So basically, I'm telling them that they were negligent because they should have told me the way the process is supposed to work, and that obviously it's not my fault. Well, how can it be my fault? They're the people who are supposed to be competent to run their department, and I intend to hold them accountable. Now, one of the things about internal review is that I view it as a very much a waste of time. The reason being is that they have basically what's called a peer review. So if you don't like the decision that you get from a case manager, they give it to a separate case manager, and they ask that case manager to review their buddy's work. Now, that would be institutional bias, and we would have absolutely no reason to expect anybody to ever decide that their friend was wrong. Now, if I'm wrong in this allegation, then let Veterans Affairs pull out the statistic to show that 50% of the peer reviews are successful.